Here is a practice test question on solving linear equations. I'd like you to copy the question, pause the video, and then look into my suggestion. Solve and check. 2 times 3x plus 4 equals to 14. I will show you two ways of solving this particular equation. Okay, so let me divide this page into two parts and let's look into these solutions. So the first one we'll do like this. It is 2 times 3x plus 4 equals to 14, right? So we'll apply the distributive law and then expand it, right? So that is what we will do. Distributive law is multiply with 2 both the terms inside the bracket. So it is 2 times 3x plus 2 times 4 equals to 14. Now that gives you 6x plus 8 equals to 14. Now we need to find the value of x. Whenever we say solve, the solve means find the value of x, and check means substitute that value and check your answer. So to find 6x plus, to find x, we need to get rid of 8. So we'll take away 8 from both sides. Now if you do the same operations on both sides of equality, it is same thing, right? So we get 6x equals to 14 minus 8, which is how much? 6, right? So it is 6. And now we can divide by 6 on both sides. And we get x equals to 1. So that is how we can solve it. Now let's do an alternate way of solving the same thing. And then we'll compare the answers and then check them also, right? Alternate way is when you're given an equation like this, which is 2 times 3x plus 4 equals to 14, what we can do is we can first divide by 2 on both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides. Now that is a better way of doing it. It saves you time. Now when I divide by 2 on both sides, what I'm trying to say is it'll be like 2 times 3x plus 4 equals to 14. So I'm dividing by 2, that means like this, right? Dividing by 2 on both sides. Now when you do that, this 2 and 2 cancel out, right? So let me just do that for you. 2 and 2 cancels out, and here it simplifies to 7, right? So we can write down now this equation as 3x plus 4 equals to 7. Now by doing so, we have avoided, 3 steps here. Second, we have avoided bigger numbers. We are dealing with smaller numbers. So it's a good idea to first divide and then solve. Now we need to get rid of 4. So let's take away 4 from both sides. So it is 3x plus 4 minus 4 equals to 7 minus 4. That gives us 3x equals to 3, right? Dividing by 3 on both sides will give us x equals to 1. So I've not written that step, but just match it out. X equals to 1. So we have solved it, right? Now let us check it also. To check, what should we do? We just substitute the value of x on the left side. So we get 2 times 3 times 1. X is 1, right? So I'm writing 1 in brackets plus 4. And that is equals to 2 times 3 times 1 is 3. So we get 3 plus 4, which is 2 times 7. And that is indeed 14. So which is equal to the right side, correct? So we checked also. Our answer is perfectly fine. Now when the question says solve and check, you have to solve it, right? And then check your answer also. If you don't check it, you lose marks for checking. So we have two methods here. So let me write down method 1. And this is method 2. Adopt the way you like it. Okay, I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.